one more example now. First, what is the task is? Yeah. Yes. What is the task? Let us consider that I have some data. Let me say I have some data minus 10, minus 30, 10, 50. Okay, I want to store this data now. I want to store this data now. Got it? Perfect. I want to store this data. Now tell me guys, if I want to store this data now, what should I do? If I want to store this data, yes, first I need to create an array object, then I need to store the data. Yeah, create an array object, store the data, right? Yes, quickly let us do it. I will just say int, okay, array. Let me take a variable equals to, come on everyone, revision, a proper quick revision, new. I will create an array object, int, array object. You need to provide the size. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will just say it as 4. Okay, good. Next, I will just say a of 0 equals to minus 10. Good. Next, a of 1 equals to minus 30. Good. Next, a of 2 equals to 10. And then I will say a of 3 equals to 50. Do you agree? Yes, that's all right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I have successfully created the array variable, I have successfully created the array object, and I have successfully stored the data. I have successfully stored the data. Perfect, very good. Okay, so now I have a doubt. Everyone focus here. When the data is already given to you, when I already have the data with me, sir, do you think this is the only way where I can create an array object and store the data? Is this the only way where I can create an object and store the data? No. There is one more way called as declare and initialization statement. There is another way, we call it as declare and initialization statement. Look here. Declare and, okay, let me write it. Array declare and initialization statement. Array declare and initialization statement. It is very simple and easy syntax. This syntax is just a shortcut. Okay. When can I use this syntax? You can use this syntax got it? Whenever I already know the data and whenever I already have the data, I can easily use this particular syntax. Okay. So how do I use this? What is the syntax for array declare and initialization statement? What is the syntax for array declare and initialization statement? Just look at this. Let me just say syntax, and the syntax goes like this. I need to provide, first you need to create a variable, array variable you need to create, okay? You need to create an array variable, okay? So we already know how to create an array variable. I have to provide data type. I have to provide what? Data type. Good. Followed by name of the variable name equals to, on the right side, normally what were we creating? An array object, right? Yes, we need to create an array object, right? Okay, using new operator. Now instead of that, I can use a new syntax. What is that? I can use a curly braces like this. I can use a curly braces, and inside this curly braces, you can provide your value. You can provide a value to be stored inside the array object. Got it? So I can say value. Sir, I want to store two values. Then what should I do? You need to provide value 1, the first value, comma, and you can provide the second value, value 2. Got it? Like this, you can provide value 1, value 2, braces. Within this flower braces, I can provide how many ever values I want. And finally, I end this statement with a semicolon. Finally, I will end the statement with a semicolon. Got it? So this is called as array declare and initialization statement. Oh yeah, come on, repeat everyone. What is this? Yeah, this statement is called as array declare and initialization statement. Got it? So now the question is, when can I use this syntax? When can I use this syntax? You can use this syntax when you already know the fixed number of data. You already know the data. You already have the number of values, the data with you. I can easily go with this particular syntax. Understood? Any confusions here? Am I audible to everyone? Okay. So people see everyone, almost 90% to 95% of the class saying yes. It's I am audible to everyone. Only people who are facing problem, please check your internet or check the place where you are sitting. Okay. Yeah. Don't constantly say voice breaking, voice breaking. If everyone says, then it is a problem. Okay, fine. Done. So focus here, guys. Focus here now. So this is called as what? What do you call the statement as, everyone? What do we call the statement as? Array declare and initialization statement. Okay. So let us see a simple example. Let us see a simple example. I want to store the data. Okay, let me say I want to store the data. I want to store the data, and the data is like 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9. I have data. I want to store it. Okay, now tell me, how do I store this now? How do I store this? Very simple. I'll just say int array a equals to int array a equals to. Come on, tell me, what should I do now? Open flower braces. I will directly say 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9, and then end with a semicolon. Later you can just end with a semicolon. Understood? Okay, perfect. Now can you tell me, guys, did we provide the size here? Did I provide the size here? Did we provide the size here? No, we did not provide the size. Then what is the length of the array? Can you tell me what is the length of the array here? 4. Good. The length of the array is equal to number of elements passed. The length of the array is equal to number of elements passed. Sir, can I print the length of the array? Can I print the length? Yes. Print a length. Come on, how do I print? A dot length. That's all. A dot length. It will easily give me the length of the array. Easy. Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Yeah, let us quickly make some good notes. When I'm typing here, bloody, I want every one of you to type there also. Okay, in your systems. Or take a book and a paper and sit and write. Book, paper, or a pen and something, write it. Okay. So what is that here? Yes, array, declaration and declare and initialization statement. Declare and initialization statement. Okay. What is the syntax for this? Come on, guys. What is the syntax for this? How does it go? I just have to say data type, array operator, name of the variable equal to value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3, and so on. You can give how many ever values you want. This is the syntax. Got it? Yes, perfect. So there are some important, okay, example. I can directly say, yes, char array ch equal to, come on, a comma b comma c comma d. Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes. Perfect. So in this syntax, using new operator is not required. This is another way of creating the array object. This is another way of creating array object. Okay, done. Now, what is the length? Yeah. So let us have note. What is the note here? The note is first point. The size of the array. The size of the array is same as number of values passed. The size of the array is same as number of values passed. Got it? So in this above example, what is the size of the array? Is equal to number of values passed. How many values I have passed? 4. So the size of the array is also 4. Got it? Perfect. So there is one more important rule over here. Okay, there is one very important rule over here. What is that rule is declaration, array variable declaration and initialization should be a single statement. Array variable declaration and initialization should be a single statement. Single statement. It should be in a single statement. You cannot do it in 2 lines. You cannot do it in 2 lines. Okay, like, yeah, few people now will start getting confused. Sir, what do you mean by that? I did not understand. I did not understand. Okay, don't worry. I'll make you understand. What is the meaning of that is, example, look here. Look here, everyone. I will first say int a. So variable is declared. Variable is declared in first line. And now I will say a equals to 10, 20, 30 in a new line or somewhere later. Is this possible? No. Here you will get compile time error. This is not possible. You will get compile time error. So this is the rule. Remember, array variable. See, this is array variable declaration and this is initialization. Variable declaration and initialization should be in a single time. Are you understanding? If I write like this, you will get a compile time error. Any confusions here? Any confusions here? Sure. Okay. So I will execute once and show you. Then I will give you the task to do the same. Okay. So let me do it. Look at my laptop, everyone. Okay. D drive, array boot camp, right? So boot camp, array. Okay. mkdir day 3. Okay. Edit plus. I'll just open edit plus. I will close all the yesterday's programs. Okay. Day 3. Got it? Yes. A1. Come on. I want to store 10, 20, 30. I want to store 10, 20, 30. Come on. How do I do this, everyone? In a single line, can I do this now? Yes, we can do this in a single line. How do I do this? Int a equals to open array, open flower braces 10, 20, 30. That's all. Easy. Now, can I print the length of the array? Can I print length of the array? Print length of the array. Is it possible? Yes, system dot out dot println, and here I will just say, come on, tell me what is that I need to say here. Yes, I just have to say a dot length. That's all. A dot length. Good. Next, print second element. Print second element. Now tell me, how do I print second element, guys? Come on, everyone. How do I print second element? Yes, first system dot out dot println, and now I will say, come on, everyone. Yes, address. Where is the address? A this as A1. Shall I compile this? Yes. Java C A1 dot Java. Okay, Java C A1 dot Java. Successfully compiled Java A1. Am I getting the output? Am I getting the expected output? 3 is the length of the array and 20 is the second element. 3 is the length. Everyone understood this? Okay. Is anyone having any doubts here? Good. Good. So let us try by breaking the rule. Let us try by breaking the rule here. Let us do the same thing now. Store. Let us try by breaking the rule. Okay. I will create an array variable int a. Okay. I created an array variable. Okay. Next, I will say here a equals to 10, comma 20, comma 30. Okay. Now let us see. Obviously, here also object is only created Girish. Here also object is only created. Concept is same. This is only another shortcut syntax provided by Oracle. Got it? It's a shortcut syntax. That's all. To make developers' life easy. Okay? Done. So, do we get successful? Will it be successful or we get a compile time error? Will it be successful or do we get compile time error here, guys? Come on, answer. Java C A2.java. Yeah, I'm getting a compile time error stating illegal start of expression. Okay, am I getting a compile time error? Yes, perfect. We are getting a compile time error. What is the reason for this compile time error? Yeah, the reason for the compile time error is we are initializing in a new line. This is not possible. There is a rule. What is the rule? Array variable declaration and initialization should be a single statement. It should not be a multi-statement. It should be a single statement. Not single line. There is difference between single line and single statement, guys. Now, if I write like this, do you have a problem? Do you have a problem if I write like this? This is not a single line. It's a multi-line. Understand. Understand. Okay. I'm talking about it should be a single statement. That means end and it start. This is the start and this is the end. But here it's not like that. This is the start and this is the end. It is a new start, new end. Got it? Yeah, please logically understand concept. Right from the beginning, you should be having clarity in everything. Okay? Good. Perfect. Understood the error? Everyone understood the error? Yes, very good. Okay, now go through the notes neatly, everyone. Go through the notes neatly, everyone. Yes, is it done? Yes, guys, everyone, is it done? Okay. See, first you learn to add an element, then you think about deleting, okay? We are learning only adding now. Okay, perfect. Good. So now I want everyone to take up a test. I have updated a question paper. Got it? Array 3. Take up the practice question. Take up the practice question. Batch code same. Okay, same batch code BAP1. Okay, quiz name is array 3. Quiz name is array 3. Got it? Yeah, it is there. Active quizzes are there. Now I have updated. Please check. It will take just hardly 10 minutes. Come on. Okay, let me show you. Okay, testfreshers.com. Wait. Okay. Oh, I forgot the password. Okay, guys, it's okay. I will do the password later. You log in and check the test is active. No, no, no. I forgot the password. You don't worry. I have updated quiz 3. Please do check it quickly. I have updated, guys. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. Sorry. Just a second. Stupid. Yeah. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Wait, guys. Bloody, the timing is not getting updated. Just give me a minute, okay? Just give me a minute. Okay, don't worry. I've informed my team. They will fix that problem. Okay. By the time we'll go to the next topic and we'll come back. Okay. Yeah, together you can do. I will do. Let us do one more topic. Together you can do it. Okay. Anyways, you all understood this declare and initialization statement. Good. Perfect. So now totally tell me guys, there are two ways. How many ways you can create an array object? Let's conclude this. How many ways we can create an array object? Yeah. Array object can be created in two ways. It can be created in two ways. Okay, what are the two ways? First one is using new operator. Second one is declare and initialization statement with the help of this curly braces. Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Now, when will I go for this? When will I go for declare and initialization statement? I will use declare and initialization statement whenever I already have data with me. Whenever I already have the data with me, okay, whenever I already have data with me, I will go with the declare and initialization statement. When I don't have data with me, the data will be generated and stored later. Data will be generated and stored later. Then I will create with the help of new operator. Okay, I'll create it with the help of new operator. Understood? You will get this clarity in other few minutes. Okay, I will give you scenarios. You will by yourself get to know, should I use declare initialization statement or should I use new operator? You will only understand. Okay, perfect. Understood. So I already know the data. I will go with the second style. I don't know the data. I go with yesterday's style. Understood? Yes. Perfect. Any confusions? Yeah. So there is a tip that you can always make a note of. What is that tip? Yes. What is that tip that I'm trying to give you? We create array using this technique when we already have the data with us. We already have the data with us. Got it? This is the tip. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, to print, obviously, you will take the help of index. There's no other option. Okay. Easy, everyone done till here? Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Shall we move forward? Okay. Okay. Let's move forward. Let us quickly learn. Okay. Next. Next topic. Let us learn the next topic now. Okay. Let us learn easy topic. Next topic. The next thing is let us learn accessing again. Okay. In a different way. Look here, everyone. Assume that I have to store data 10, 20, and 30 and print them. And what I should do? Print them. Okay. You need to store the data and then you need to print them. I will do this in two styles. Look here. Look here, everyone. First, how do I create this? Very simple. Int array operator A equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Was so easy, sir. Wow, so easy. Array created, data is also stored. Array object created, data is also stored. Wow, beautiful. Over. Sir, now I want to print the data. Ayyo. Okay, if I want to print all the data, let me go slow. If I want to print all the data, come on, tell me what is that I should do? System dot out dot println address a array operator index 0. Got it? So second element system dot out dot println, okay, address a z. Okay, what should I do here? 1. Got it? Next, system dot out dot println address A to, even this we learned in our yesterday session. Okay. Sir, how many times I should write print statements? Oh my God. 3 times you should write. Good. Because there are 3 elements. What if there are 30 elements, man? Will you write like this 30 times? Will you write it like this 30 times? What if there are 300 data stored? Will you write it 300 times? No. If you observe, don't you think I'm repeating the same job again? Print, print, print. Yeah. Array operator, array operator, array operator. So what am I? Yeah. What am I continuously repeating? System dot out dot println. A is repeated, array operator is repeated. So this part of code is repeated. Yes or no? Yes or no? 3 times I'm doing the same thing. What is changing here? Come on, tell me what is changing here. First time it was 0. Second time it was 1. Third time it was 2. So this is changing. Index is changing. So can I take one variable of integer type? Can I take one variable of integer type? Yes or no? Good. And can I, okay, it is starting from where? It is starting from where? 0. So can I initialize this with 0? Yes or no? Very good. Now, can I write the variable instead of the data? Can I write the variable instead of the data here? Is it possible? Yes. Now come on, tell me everyone, what is this? System dot out dot println a of x. A of x. What is inside x? 0. What is inside x? 0. So what does this become? A of 0. What is inside A of 0? 10. What is inside E of 0? 10. Understood? Understood? Perfect. Now, sir, should I repeat the same thing? Yes, pa, you should repeat. But before repeating, I should update X. I want the next number. What I want? X number. Next number I want, right? So can I say X equal to X plus 1? Can I say X equal to X plus 1? Can I do this? Yeah. Now tell me, what does X become? What does X become? 1. Very good. Now, should I repeat this now? Should I repeat this? Yes. So I will ask my control, please go back and execute the same thing. Please go back and execute the same thing. Now come on guys, come on, tell me what is there inside X? Everyone tell me what is inside X? Would you get A of 1? What is the output you get? A of 1. A of 1. What is A of 1? 20. What is A of 1? 20. Perfect. Perfect. Now, again, control goes to the second statement. Control goes to the second statement. X equal to X plus 1. What is X equal to X plus 1? Come on, tell me, what does X become? 2. X will become 2. Hey, it won't become 30. Bloody fellow, go step by step. Patience is important. Patience is important. Even I can go fast. I can directly give you output, hey, 10, 20, 30, over. Go step by step. Done? Now it is easy program. You will give answers put like this. When I give a complicated program, you will all break your head, keep your hand on your head and sit. So when I'm teaching you slowly, I want everyone to bloody have patience and go step by step. I want you to go step by step. Got it? Only then you can do a complex program easily. Good. So now tell me, what is the value of X now? 2. Now I will send back. I will send back. Same thing will repeat. Same thing will repeat. What is there inside X now? Everyone answer. Go with my flow. What is there inside X? 2. No X. 2. Hey, 30 ante matte. What is inside X? 2. Now A of 2. What is A of 2? A of 2 is 30. Very good. A of 2 is 30. Good. Now again I will go to the next line. I will again go to the next line. What does X become? What does X become this time? Come on, tell me. X will become 3. X will become 3. Good. Very good. X will become 3. Now control will go back. I will send the control back. Now tell me what is substituted here. What is substituted in this place? 3. Now tell me what will happen. Okay. This is important. What will happen now? Do you have the fourth number? Do you have the fourth number in the array? No. So now you will get something called as exception. You will get something called as what? Exception. Okay. You will get something called as what? Exception you will get. Understood, everyone? Yeah, what is the name of that exception and all we'll discuss here. But now tell me, should I continue? The value of X becomes 3. Should I continue? Should I continue or should I stop? Should I continue or should I stop? I should stop. When X becomes 3, I should stop. Can I say 3 is equal to size of the array? Can I say 3 is equal to length of the array? Can I say 3 is equal to length of the array? Yes or no? Yes. So now, can tell me for int, come on guys, tell me everyone, X equal to 0. X equal to what? 0. Up to where it should work? Let me say length is 3. Length is 3. Let me say length is 3. If X is equal to 0, should I execute? Yes. If X equals to 1, should I execute? Yes. If X is equal to 2, should I execute? Yes. If X equals to 3, should I execute? If X is equal to 3, should I execute? No, I should stop. So when should I execute? When X is less than 3. When X is less than 3. Are you understanding? So now tell me what is my condition? X should be less than A dot length. Can I say A dot length over here, everyone? Can I say A dot length over here? Good. And finally, what I will do here? X plus plus. Update. Can I write like this? X plus plus. Good. And now inside this, tell me what is that I need to do? System dot out dot println. I will just say A of X. I will just say what? A of X. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Perfect. Now, do you think it will work, guys? Do you think all the data will be printed? Do you think all the data will be printed over here easily? Do you have any confusions? Please go through this program again. Go through this program again. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Okay, did everyone understand this? I want everyone to trace this. Let us see. I will show you how to trace this. Look here. I will beautifully show you how to trace this. Okay, look here. First, let me write the code. Okay, let me write the code. Int array a equals to, okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30. I have created. Now I want to print all the elements. If I want to print all the elements, okay. Now come on, tell me what should I do? What should I do here? For int I equal to 0. Okay, why 0? Because index starts from 0. Next, up to when I should execute this? Until I is less than length of the array. Until I is less than what? Length of the array. How do I find length of the array? A dot length. A dot length. Good. Next, what I should do? Update I plus plus. Now, what should I do inside this? You can access system dot out dot println. And here I will say A of I. Here I will just say A of I. Understood this? So now here I will show you how to trace this. Look here. Beautifully, I will show you how to trace this. You should become very good in tracing. Only then you become perfect in programs. Okay. Yeah. See here. So this is my array. Let us start. What is the variable used in the loop? I. So this is my I. Okay. What is the value of I initially? What is the value of I initially? 0. This is the first cycle of the loop. This is the first cycle of the loop. Everyone focus. Focus, concentrate. Okay. Now, I will check the condition. Substitute. What is the value of I? 0. Less than a dot length. What is a dot length? Everyone come on. What is a dot length? Quick. Very good. 3. Now tell me, 0 less than 3. True or false? Is this true or false? It is true. So now control will go inside. Control will go inside. Do you agree? Control will go inside. Now what statement you have here? Print statement. Now what am I printing? A of I. What is I? 0. What, tell me, what is A of 0? A of 0 is 10. So what is printed? 10 is printed. Understood everyone? Good. Now end of loop. Come on everyone. What is this? End of loop. Control will go to update. Control will go to update. What does I become now? I will become 1. So first cycle is completed. First cycle is completed. Second cycle. What is the value of phi now? 1. The value of phi is 1. Condition, come on, it will repeat, no? I hope everyone knows for loop. It will repeat. What is the condition here? 1 less than 3. Good. Now tell me, what is 1 less than 3? True. Good. Since 1 less than 3 is true, control will again go inside. Control will again go inside. Okay. Now I'm printing A of I. What is the value of I now? 1. So what is A of 1? A of 1 is, so what is the output you get? 20. Focus, everyone focus. Look at the screen. Don't turn here and there. Everyone look at the screen. Over? Good. Now after that end of block, it will go to update. What does I become? I becomes to end of second cycle. End of second cycle. So now I am going to the third cycle. What is the value of I in the third cycle? 2. The value of I is 2. Now what is the condition again? Come on, what is the condition again? I less than 3. 2 less than 3 is what? True. It is true. Since true, where does the control go again? Control will go inside. Control will go inside. Got it? Good. Now, come on, what I have here? Print statement. Print what? A of I. A of I. What is I, guys? 2. So what is A of 2? A of 2 is 30. Very good. So what is the output I get? Yeah, the output what I get is 30. Over. Perfect. Now end of loop. End of loop. Control. Everyone, what does I become now? 3. What does I become? 3. Perfect. Very good. Now, end of third cycle. It will go to fourth cycle. Fourth cycle. What is the value of phi? 3. What is the value of phi? 3. Now, again check the condition. What is the condition? 3, 3. Now tell me 3 less than 3. True or false? True or false? It is false. So now tell me, the loop will continue or loop will stop? The loop will continue or loop will stop? Yes, the loop will stop. So now tell me finally what happened. Am I printing all the elements of the array? Am I printing all the elements of the array? Yes or no? Yes, we are printing all the elements of the array perfectly. I hope no confusions. I hope no confusions. Everyone understood this? Did everyone understand this? Perfect, perfect, very good. Clap to yourself that you have understood this. Okay, I don't want anyone having any confusions on this simple stuff. Okay, good, good. Now, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let us do it once again, but this time I am not doing, you're doing on a sheet of paper. I am not doing, you're doing on a sheet of paper. Okay. See, I trust you all. I trust you. Honesty is important. So you want to fake and fool me? It's okay. You are the loser. I will not lose. So if you really don't want to fake me, please take a sheet of paper and do this. Whatever I did, you should do this everything again. You should do this. For a new example, I'll create a new array. I will create a new array. I want you to do the tracing like this. I want you to do the tracing. Okay. So new array is char array ch equal to a t t t l e. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Come on. I want you to write the code. I want you to write the code to print everything in a new line. Print everything in a new line, and I want you to do the tracing. Take a sheet of paper and please do it. Please, patience, very important. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, I'll just give you 5 minutes time. Sit and trace it. Just like how I did on the right side. You can see on the right side how I have done, no? Like that. Patiently do it. Trust me, you will love it and you will become perfect in this. Okay? Do it, guys. 5 minutes time. Is it done, everyone? Tracing done? Good. Okay, everyone, take up the test. I've created the test paper. I think this time it should be active. The quiz is array 4. Okay, the quiz is array 4. Array 4. Array 4. Come on, please take up the test. It's just a practice. Again, I'm telling everyone, don't worry about test case, please. Don't worry about test case. Don't worry about your marks. It will show a 0. Test case fail. You don't worry. Batch code is same. BAP01. I put the batch code. Look at the screen, man. Look at the screen. The batch code BAP1. Come on, do it. I'll put time. Finish it soon. See here. Quizzes, active quizzes. Array 4 is there. Array 4 is there. You can just start and take up the test. Create an integer array of size 5. Initialize 3, 23, 40 and print all the elements in a single line followed by spaces. In a single line followed by spaces. Got it? So how do I do this? One program, I'll do it for you. Class P1. Okay. Here public static void main string args. Got it? So here I need to create an array. Yeah, how do I create an array? I can do it int array a equals to, okay, the given data is 3 comma 23 comma 456 comma 7 comma 3. Right? Perfect. Now I need to print them. How do I print them? System dot out dot. Okay. I want to print everything. So how do I do this? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length. After that I plus plus. Good. Next. Inside this command, tell me what should I do? System dot out dot println. Okay, in a single line. So I will use print statement. Here what I need? A of I. Then I need to provide a space. So I will give like this. So you will get a space. Understood? That's all. So this is my program. Okay. Now just in the user input, type some number. In the user input, type some number and click on check program. You will get, yeah, your output is 323 456 73. Am I getting all the elements? Am I getting all the elements? Yes. So status of the program success. That's all. Like this you should do all the programs. The second program also you should do like this. See, create a string array of size 5, initialize the data. Come on, do it, everyone. Do like this. All the programs do it. Yeah, Satya will do it. We are working on that. Give us time, please. Okay. Hey, test case will work only when you take dynamic input, man. Wait for that. Are you taking dynamic input? Not yet. How will test case work here? Okay, so test case will not work now. Test case will start working when you have dynamic input. That means you read the input from the user. No, only that time test case will work. Zamat, you might have done some typing mistake. Check properly. You might have done some typing mistake. Check properly. Altaf, open in incognito mode, it will work. Open in incognito mode. Everyone, please open Test Freshers app in incognito mode. It will work, guys. See, test cases will start working when you go with dynamic input. Now the input you are providing. When you go with dynamic input, only test cases will work. Wait, I will teach you that also. Give me some time. No. Let us go step by step. Let us go step by step. I'll make you even test cases work. Give me time. Maybe by today or by Monday, even your test cases will work. Give me time. Go for dynamic input, test cases will automatically work. Don't worry. See, whenever you get float, make sure you put F. Okay, if you directly write 3.0, it is not float, it is considered as double. See, everyone. Okay, I'm stopping you guys in between. I'm sorry for that. Please look here, everyone. This doubt, most of them will get. Okay, first look your basic things. That's what you're not strong in your basics. Look here, everyone. Float A equals to 10.2. Can you tell me what will happen if I do like this? Huh? I will get an error because this data is considered as double. Okay, the data is considered as double. Double to float is narrowing. It will not happen. You will get error. Look, Java C, P1 dot Java C. Am I getting error? So to avoid this, what you should do? F, either small f or capital F. Either small f or capital F. Anything is okay. Got it? Now you can do it. It will be successful. Now it is successful. Got it? Understood? Yes. Same thing with long also. Same thing with long. Use the suffix L. Okay, basics. Please go revise, learn your basics again. In string, nothing. You just put double quotes. In string, you just put double quotes. It will work. Put L. You should put L. If you put L, it will treat it as long. Yeah, you should put a print. You need to put a space. See, I put a space. No, I put a space. Look here. A of I is the data. I have concatenated with a space. I have concatenated with a space. Do this. Space, because I want will put it in a single line. If I don't put this, no, look at the output. Look at the output now. Everything will be together. See, all the numbers are together. Are you able to look? 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. They are together. Okay, I don't want together. I want a space. I want a space. So how do I put a space? Plus space like this. Got it? Now I will do check program. Do you think it will work? Yes, it's working. Yogesh, I have told 101 times bloody and now I'm losing my patience now. Score and test case, forget. Score will be zero, test case will be fail. Common sense, apply common sense. Here, test case, you are not executing test case. From 3 days, I'm telling that 101 times I've told already. You people again ask me the same question. What should I do? Don't worry about the score and test case, please. Just make sure that you get success. Just I should get this message, that's all. What message I should get? Like this success message, if you get, it's enough. Like this success, I should get. Execution result should be success, that's all. Forget about your test case. Done? Okay. See, people, students want me to execute this float program. So let me execute this, okay? Class, observe, P2, public, static, void, main, string, args. Okay, string args. Okay, done. Okay, over here, which array I should create? Float array. Okay, so float array A equals to. Now data. What is the first data? 2.4. So 2.4f. Next, 456.34243f. After that, 6.123f. Okay, after that, okay, that's all, only three numbers. That's all. Over, no? Now I need to print. Now I need to print all the elements in a single line followed by space. So how do I do that? Equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Got it? I plus plus. Okay. And here what I should do now? Come on, tell me. Now what should I do here? For a of I plus space. That's all. This is my program. So I'll just type something in the user input, check program. See, that's all. Am I getting the output? Over. Easy. Come on, like this you should do. This is the batch code. Sure, Neeraj, I will work on that. Okay. See the yeah. Okay. Is everyone done with the test? For double, no, D, writing D is not necessary. Okay, okay, I will wait. Don't worry. I'll wait for another 5 minutes. Finish it. Don't worry. I'll wait for another 5 minutes. Finish it. Finish it soon. Only 5 minutes, huh? Not more than that. Sure, Neeraj, I will show you. Okay, fine. For people who are not able to log in, don't waste your time. I will show you the questions. You at least type the code in your compilers. At least do that. Don't waste time. Huh? Car type. What is there in car type? It is easy, no? Over? 3 minutes left. We should move forward. Do it, do it, do it. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, do it. Yeah, Sandeep, please. Let's wait for everyone, okay? A few people will be very fast. I know. I respect that. But let's wait for everyone. Life is all about going together. Length is not a function, Bisal. Bisal Kumar, I told you yesterday clearly, I hope you were there in the class or not. Length is a non static variable, it is not a function. With respect to arrays, I repeat, length is a non static variable, it is not a function. Divya, no, not 10 more minutes, it will be very delay. You can continue again later. I can give you just 2 minutes is left. That is what I can give you, please. Yeah, it is by default created in every array object. In every array object, by default, a variable length is created. It is not created by you and me, guys. We are only using it. We are only using it, okay? Yeah, Neeraj, fourth question given. No, Aishwarya, it will go to next line, don't worry. But in browser, here it will show you everything in single line, that's all. Don't worry about that. It will be printed in next line only if you do it in your normal compiler. Yes, see, when you can use for loop, you can also use while loop. What is there in that? I can use while loop. I can also use do while loop. I can use any loop. There's no rule that you should use for loop only. I will show the tip. Don't worry. No, F is not necessary, Vignesh, because 1, 2, 3 is an integer. Integer can be converted to float because it is widening. Into float is widening. So even if I don't use F, it is by default considered. Widening will happen. No. Raghu, whenever you use flower braces, array object is created. Don't assume array object is not created. Don't misunderstand. Array object is created. I am telling the same thing, right? When I use this, array object is created. I clearly mentioned even in this whiteboard. See, two ways. If I say new also object only, okay? But it's a shortcut to create. This is possible only for arrays. That's all. They've given you one extra tool. Yes, you can use X plus Muhammad. No doubt. Both are same. No. Okay. Come on. Let's move on. I think time up. Time up. This is the time to move next. Okay. Shall we go with the next? Yes. See, I'm going step by step. Please understand. You will become perfect in that. And slowly we'll go to logical programs like sorting and all. First, we'll finish. We'll become perfect with arrays and then we'll go for those programs. Wait, I am just preparing my sheets so that we can easily write here. Okay, I'm ready. I hope you are also ready. Let us do it. Okay, let us start. Let us start. Let us start, please. Okay, good. Now, the data was directly given by the programmer. Here, if you observe, where is that? Yeah. If you observe this, your data is given by the whom? Who is providing the data? Kumar Yadav, come on, stop your work. Let us continue, please. You can go do it later. You can complete it later. Please, let's go to the next topic. I'll give you time again later, please. Okay. So who is providing the data here? Programmer is providing the data. Writing user. Programmer is writing the data. Yeah. This is called as hard coding. What do we call this as? Hard coding. Hard coding. It's a fixed data. Okay. It's a fixed data. Good. It's called as hard coding. But now what I want to do is I want to read the data from the scanner. Okay. I want to read the data from the user. I will have a user. So user should provide data to the Java application. This is the Java application. This is the Java application, Java program. User should provide the input data to the Java application. Understood? Yes. To do that, I hope everyone know already there is something called as scanner class. There is something called as scanner class. With the help of scanner, shall we do this? Yes. So first step, listen. First, obtain size from the user. What is that I need to do? To obtain size from the user. Size from the user. Sir, can I obtain size from the user? Sir, can I obtain size from the user? Yes. Yes. How to do that? Look here, guys. Everyone look now. Look at the program, please. Everyone look. First, step one, import scanner class. Import what? Scanner class. How do I import scanner class? Import java.util.scanner. You see, import java.util.scanner. Is it over till here, everyone? Good. Understood? Perfect. Next. Here, what should I do? What should I do? Step two. Create scanner class. I hope everyone know this already. I hope everyone know this already. Step two, create object for scanner class. How do I create object for scanner class? Scanner variable equals to new scanner open brackets system.in. Got it? So I've successfully created the scanner object. Got it? Yeah, I've successfully created scanner object. Now what I should do? What is that? What is that? Step three. Come on, what is my step three? Read size from the user. Read size from the user. Read size from the user. Got it? You should read size from the user. Got it? You should read size from the user. Got it? How do I read size from the user? Come on, guys. How do I read size from the user? So I will put a message to the user, right? You can put a message to the user, okay? Or if user message not required, I will just say int size equal to, come on, int size equal to what? Yes dot. Come on, tell me yes dot. Next int. Very good. Yes dot. Next int. Understood, guys? Perfect. Yes, that next in. So size is ready. So once the size is ready, what is my next job? Come on, what is my next job? What is my next job? What is step four? Create array object. Create array object. Okay. Now, my first doubt. First doubt. Do you have the data with you? Do right? We don't have the data, right? Okay. Therefore, can I create array object like this? Can I create array object like this? No, because if I create, the size of the array object is 0. If I create like this, size of the array object becomes 0. Now you cannot. So now tell me, what should I do now? You should create array object with the help of new operator, data type, and then provide size variable. Guys, everyone understood? Understood? Yes, perfect. Now, next, what should I do? That's all. Do you think array is ready? Yes, array object is ready. Array object is ready. Now, can I print the length? 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 Yes. How do I print the length? Come on, tell me. System dot out dot println, and here I will say yes, a dot length. Here I will say a dot length. Got it? Perfect. Here, very good. So let me save this. Let me compile it. Okay, Java C. Got it? P2 dot Java. Did I save it or not? Wait just a second. Okay, A3.java it is. Okay. Java C, A3.java, Java A3. Okay. Java A3. What happened? Okay, wait. I will compile. I will execute. Java A3. See now, your cursor is blinking. Cursor is blinking. What do you mean by that? It is waiting for input. It is waiting for input. Okay. So now user should provide the input. User should provide input. So now I will say 5. Are you getting back 5 length? Are you getting back 5 length? Understood? Aditya, yes. Just give me a second. Understood, everyone? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Did you guys understand this neatly, step by step? Did you guys understand this neatly, step by step? Shall we repeat this again? Shall we repeat this again? Yes, come on. Come on. There are few people who want repetition. Let me do it off. It's okay. Nothing will happen. Okay? Come on. Let's do it. Let me put a question. Let me put a question. Okay? Create an character array by reading size from the user. By reading size from the user. This is the question. People who already know, they can write it in a paper. You can write it in a paper. Got it? Okay, people who already know, they can write it in a paper. Others, come on, do it. Tell me, what is my step 1? Everyone, go step by step. Step 1, what is step 1? Import scanner class. Import scanner class. How do I do? Import Java dot util dot scanner. Okay, good. Next, step 2. What is step 2? Okay, create a class, right? Let's create a class. Class A4. Public static void main. Yeah, void main string args. Okay, good. Now, come on, tell me here what is step 2? Create scanner object. Create scanner object. Very good. How do I create scanner object? How do I create scanner object? Scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Easy till here? Very good. Now, next, what is step 3? Read size from the user. Read size from the user. Got it? Read size from the user. So size is obviously integer. Size is always integer. So int size. Size equal to yes dot next int. So I have successfully read the size from the user. Job done. Now what is my next step? Step 4. Come on, what is step 4? Create character array for red size. Create character array for red size. Come on, how do I do that? Character array variable. Character array variable a equal to new of character array size. Character array size. Got it? Perfect. Very good. Next, to confirm whether array object is created, let us do one verification. What is that? Print length. Let us print the length. How do I print the length? System dot out dot println, and let me say a dot length. A dot length. Got it? So program is successfully done. Program is successfully done. Everyone understood this? Yes. So let us compile and execute. Java C A4.java. Java A4. So see here cursor is waiting. Cursor is waiting for the user. Cursor is waiting for the user to enter. So I will enter the size 8. Am I getting 8 back? Yes. I'm getting 8 back. Very good. That's all. Simple steps. You can easily read the data from the user. Next step, you can read. Now we are reading size. We can also read the data from the user. We'll learn that. Understood? Any confusion still here? Perfect. Okay. Come on, everyone. Go through the steps. In the meantime, I have one more quiz today and we can wind up. One more quiz on this and we can wind up. Okay. So I will prepare the quiz question paper. You just go through this in 2 minutes. We'll do it. Okay, guys. Yes, come on, guys. Take up the quiz. Everyone, take up another quiz. Question number 5. Second quiz. Second quiz for the day. Array 5. Same batch code. Everyone take up. Okay, once it is done, we can wind up for today. Come on. It's okay, you can do it now. Say active quizzes, array 5. And go for array 5. Okay. You can click on stack and do it. Create a long array of. Just show you once. I will show you once. Class A1 public static void main string args. Okay. Here I need scanner, right? So import java.util.scanner. Okay. So here scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now here I need the input, right? I need input. So how do you get the input here? Yeah, very simple. Int size, okay, equal to s dot next int. Okay, next int. That's all. Okay. I need to create which array? Long array. They've said long array. So how do I create long array? Long array a equals to new long and provide the size where I'm reading from the user. Okay. And finally, next what I need to do? Print the size. System dot out dot print the length. I should print the length. How do I print the length? A dot length. That's all. Now provide user input. What is the user input size? I will say 5. Okay, I will say 5. Got it? And I will click on check program. See, your output is 5. Success program. Done. Now, your dynamic, no. Now here you run execute test case, it will work. No, that data entry wrong is there. You don't worry. But program correct. You are getting the proper output. No. Give us 2-3 days time. Okay, your test cases will work properly. We are working. My backend team is working on that. You don't worry. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. My backend team will work on that. We'll do it. Do you don't worry. Okay. See, we are developing the. We are we are identifying and it will be fixed. Got it? Yeah, I know tab doesn't work. Okay. You just type. You practice, please. Use this platform for practicing. We'll do that. We'll come up with that. Don't worry. Okay. You can finish this and you can go for your dinner. You can finish this. You can go for your dinner. We'll meet you guys on Monday. One string question you want me to do. Okay. Yeah, string. What is there here? Easy. Import java dot util dot scan public static void main string array. Okay. Yeah. Now scanner is equal to next int size equal to s dot next int. Okay. Yes. After that, now come on, tell me next what I should do. Yeah. I just have to create string array. String array a equals to new string array and pass size. That's all over. Print the length. System dot out dot println a dot length. That's all. Now pass 15. My output also should be 15. Variable a is okay. Okay. I have already created that variable. Okay, fine. Now it will work. Okay, check program. Say output 15. What was the input given? 15. So output also will be 15. Easy? Done, done, done. Execute test case. I think I will get some errors. I don't know. 15 and 20. Expected output. Something is wrong with this. You don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. See, this is a bug. Bug in the application. Expected output is saying 15 and 20. What is 20 even? I don't know. Forget that. We'll work on it. Give us some time. We'll work on it. Okay. Test cases give us time, guys. Other things you do. Okay. Hey, statement should work, man. Length should work. Do it, do it, do it. See, all data types same. No, character or also same thing. Why? Why is that for every data type I should sit and explain? Huh? Come on, Shruti. Character array also same thing. Instead of string, you use char. Come on, sit and try, please. Give a try. Give a try. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you all will take up the test. Okay. Yeah, test cases are wrong. You don't worry about test cases. I should record this and keep it now in front of you. I've told test cases, forget. Muchkond execute. I will start using my bloody slang now. Just execute and see. Okay. Forget about test cases. Okay. Tip. You want to see the tip? Notepad tip. Okay. Yeah, tip. Done. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Yeah, I am from Karnataka. I am from Karnataka. I am from Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. Good. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you all on Monday. Please try to log in test freshers by Monday. Take the help of your HR, your branch HRs. Okay. Please finish the test. Even I will have my dinner and I will come back to test freshers and see how many guys, how many students have taken the test. Let me check that. You people will do lot of cheating business. I need to see. See, only 1,000 people have taken test. Huh? Very bad. What about others? Hey, I told now I'm okay. From Monday, only students who are taking test, I will keep them. Out of 3,000, only 1,000 people have taken test. Others I will murder, I will throw you out. From Monday up to Monday, exempted. After Monday, no exemption. Huh? See, here also only 1,700 people have attended. I will look at the results. Good, 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 good. Better than before. You guys are writing. I'm impressed. I will check. Okay. I want everyone to write like this and submit. Thank you. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Have a great night. Have a happy weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a pleasant and a peaceful Sunday. I'll come back and torture you on Monday. Monday, 7 o'clock. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you. Okay, Manoj. I'll increase the attempts. Don't worry. Okay.